Yeah, Rana King. But yes, welcome back to another one. Episode 15, Balingani Podcast. We're here in the thing. Like and subscribe. Let's whack Bamba Clat. Il chamane nam
namhla inkuzi fraud ke ulichamane yeah man wagwana
ngidli nyama king ngidli nyama I've changed my ways
yebo uqalenile ke ubalichamane awubathini bathi uyacrucify udla umnakeni bathi namajamana nawudla inyama bathi udla umnakeno
hayi wena hayi ngicala nyalo king episode 15
because it's flesh
ngicala nyalo ku episode 15
ngicala nyalo how many minutes so will jamane for how many minutes king?
30 minutes king so 40 something seconds and it's already saying to give up again
already I won't give up king no ulijamane lelingadli iflesh shows how crucify king ane udli flesh yile nyethi into that gwema king ezeljamane phela emajamane king netinto that gwemako
iningi king that gwemako king I don't touch but hey kuningi lapha kwenda bendani but for me mostly
abadli swaya umudli swaya
Kopa king sike kule hostage situation mina nawe 2020 mbabane
Sletine majamane
likabihle lingana swai king asidlile ngiyakhumbula mfana sike sadla lenye banana bread ya lenye pachacha yendiwa ngalenye indlela ikufaka banana bicona lo flower lo brown lesingwa sendiwa kusiso king lesaka SUP lenye ibhaba ngayo
mo Italy ya uli Italy
ngabili kuseke kena unkatha kudla wakatha lokudla besongambe hayi aw
so that's why majamane asking king
uthuthu
is the diet king
uthuthu investigator king uvukuza majamane king bekadla inyama somewhere uthi hoy laba jamane bekunawo
liyancinga jamane king balikhanzela incinga I think bathi khona jamane king lebake balibamba lincinga balivula tinwele ngenkani king because balikhanzela violate likhandwe ngilamanye majamane king emva kwe KFC lijamane lidli KFC
hayi
violate balibamba king libanjwa ngilabanye badli benyama lidle inyama bayivule ama-threats alo king ukuthi lidle
inyama kude into king ngiyangibheka inhlitiyo njengaleyo kusekuthi kuse the same niggas were applying these laws upon us and platina si majamani they are doing the very same thing they bazama ukusi-avoidisa yona bona behind our backs khona la king lakangwane la majamane bekadlayo chicken dust
bancinca
kuthiwa majamane king afike letulena abambe chicken dust masinathuwini labanzako hawu kuse the same kings king of kings the lion of Judah yeah but the lion of Judah ngihlala nawo afika ncinca like kuse what is that dog how can you support
but anile ngho ngasimlinga nayo enjoy yami no ingingale ngikhulu wena mlinga
king
ingingale ngikhulu wena mlingane ka so ngibekise njengalesi Jamane sengikhulumela tonke inkolo lesijamane yona king it was bantu labamnyama nanga eJamaica uyabona
yes
sebatsiniwe ngile nkolo eMaroma
yeah
bathi le nkolo inang king i corrupt evil so bafuna kutakhela inkolo yabo le based kulesikresto but le khokha le lobusathane la Bhayibhelini
okay
bagcina babhalela iBhayibheli labo they call it I think it's the Holy PB
yeah
it's just a Bible ku revise le Bible ku revise le Bible lela So le mithetho lefana ukuthi awudli inani nani bayithethele kule mithetho yenang yekuphila kwema-Israel uyabona.
Yeah.
And lento king ayisithi because iyasehlula because ayisithi.
Maye ngubambe lwimi king. Siba njani sine iBabylon?
Bobani leyo kanjani king? Phela
iBabylon thina ngathi silabantu abadlala inyama thina ngathi siyiBabylonini khona lapho mara thina ngathi siyiBabylon. Ngathi thina king
thina siphasa le mibuso king thina siphasa le mibuso lenang lesinyanyekiso embe kwemehlo kaNkulunkulu silandzela labaholi labadukisa live uyabona. Sithi liqiniso lalabane liqiniso maJamani king lalabone liqiniso ngibo lalababona liqiniso wahleka king ungabahleka yonke inkolo kanjalo king ukuthi nine lenilandzela lenkolo le ngiyabekisa king kwa 19 kholo but sengiqale after the cancer yanesiya le beyibo 300 in the common year.
Yeah.
After lo king inkolo lenkhulu lenengi beyingamelwe lisonto leMaroma, the Roman Catholic Church angithi.
That's a fact.
Mainstream kwaqhubeka for a long time king kwathi lebo 1500 to 1600 kunemjida bathi Martin Luther King bekase eGermany. Wabathi beyibuka lenkolo yeMaroma king wayibona ukuthi hayi edapi. For example eMaroma king nangabe babu wakho ufile ukulenya indzawo bathi ipurgatory lendzawo shotha kusike sogwena
semkhathini sesogwena sezulwini
bekona. Yes ulapho babu wakho eMaroma bekathi hayi king ungasinika maybe 40-50 amapiece eligolide stamlanze purgatory king simfake ezulwini.
Yeah.
Uyabona nawe usaphila king bongakuthengela like indzawo ezulwini plot ukuthi yabo nginikana amasimu ami nginikana ligolide ngithenga istool ezulwini yabona.
Kukhona okushintshile king
waphikisana king
kukhona okushintshile mangabe kukhona kungakanani
kushintsha kanjani
ukusho king ukuthi nanyalo usathenga somehow kwaMaroma.
No awusakuthenga inyalo but Martin Luther bekalwa naloko king wase uyahluka usoba nesonto lakhe king emaluthela maLutherans uyabona.
Yeah.
Because bagcine bangabonisani nalona Pope Leo.
Yeah.
Ngalendzaba leyo so then bo Martin King ngibo lebesebadi kanenge uyabona.
Yeah.
So kugcina bo Martin King kuphuka bo Anglican the Anglican ngibo lesebadi kangcono uyabona. Bo Anglican kuphuma lamanye amasonto king sigcina sinabo sindisiwe sebadi kakhulu. Namazayon saphuma king uyabona nawo mazayon sane knowledge lenye inkolo yonke king wathi kakhulu kunalabo abanye uyabona so is a secret knowledge lonayo lalabanye labede yona
kuyingodi king yabona waze waqala kwathi kakhulu na king so slam hayi king cala kuba ingodi lapho king the most dangerous part king la khona ukuthi wena uphinze king wena usabotage because they like preaching it to us uyabona mase kumele bayidisplay lento king sengiyini. That's why maJamani king ukhanzaka le Jamani selincinca uyabona because it's trying to in most cases where the king is trying to prove to the other ukuthi yabo thina sena njani anini nadlala. It's always about it's not about me as Muslim ngikhethela life yami lena king it's for me thank you no kufuna ngiprove kulabanye ukuthi kusey yayibona life engiphilako watch me yabo ngiphila njani ya mina nangidla inyama mina it's always it's not about you alone king ukuthi kusey nginenkolo yami lena kufire mangihlaka nani king kusey king ku right once wena wabamba ingulube king akufuneki ngibe sengithi okay ngidla ingulube nini ya yabona mina yabona it's always like ya mina ngcono I better so ngenzela mina yabona ngisave mina yakami ingcono naleya kakho.
And yonke ikanjalo that's why ekugcineni konke igcine ingasebenzi king
yangekhona ekusebenza king
igcine ingasebenzi more especially because thina sivele simnyama I see thina lento lena. That's why I think inkolo lesebendelako for the most part king ngilema Jericho ngile maZion ngile maZTC na Shembe.
Yebo yaleyo King usho mbamba lebo Shembe namo ZTC ya leyo tibala King ngito King balako ngito
Basebentela abantu labamnyama tinkolo leto King.
ya letema bese tufika nema miracle King nato that's matfika ngikhumbula matsafika nato I think bengisese primary or something King baba bathandazela labahamba ngema wheelchair like it was something new they call them charismatic ne charismatic churches like bahamba ngema wheelchair bathandazela King the miracles labangaboni baboni it was something like yo phela Jesu naye wathi lento sitatenda they came with that bro na Jesu was lento sitatenda now we're here yabona sine sisatenda letinto mawuzila nje wenda so fire he
Hey, akuhlavelwe King. I remember when that thing came. Le kufika netimvusele bengenivusele tinenge around the time.
Attendant King.
Kuthandazelwa abantu bawa. But I want to correct King ukuthi bantu labanenge abangabi nemanga bathi Jesu wathi batawenda letinto lethu. Akazange Jesu athi isho lento lethu. Uma ubuka impilo ya Jesu King eqinisweni lonke nje uma ubuka impilo ya Jesu abete kuto Jesu kahle bekungumlandzeli wa John umbhaphatisi.
Yebo.
And ngakuprovela ukuthi ngisho ngani lo ukuthi abelandzeli umbhaphatisi John Jesu.
Yebo.
Jesu wabhajatiswa nguJohn, which means Johnny shotha befike kuqala la nkholweni.
Yebo.
Abe phela neke mne King yobhaphatisa umfundisi obhaphatisa mina. So Jesu abe ngumlandzeli wa John.
Yebo.
Inshumayelo ya John King beyithi lelizembe selivele libekiwe kulemphansi so yanqunywa lo mvini nyalo uyabona bebakholelwa lokho bo John na Jesu washumayela ukuthi lenfo lo mhlaba lesiphila kuwo King unganyelwe busathane nebumnyama so uNkulunkulu uyeta utayigoqoda lenfo le fast uze uthi lo muntu lomdala King kulenye sicebi sisicebi manje ngingangena njani kulombuso wezulu lokhuluma ngawo emfundisi uthi Jesu hayi andeni vole yaphela masinyane uNkulunkulu utayicetha masinyane thengisa konke lo nako wondle nabantu labahluphekile uyabona Jesu bekakhulumela lo King ukuthi lenfo iyaphela at that time fast nawulandzelela ubuka la mave akhe King lama gospel
it was always
uyabachethi
lo mbuso wezulu vele
itophela nyalo
it's done
akasho ukuthi bakwenda imangaliso King ngipawula after Jesu lo wathela abantu ukuthi batawenda imangaliso egameni la Jesu sahamba sashonile Jesu and this is all in the Bible so maneng lamanga labawacambile but the danger King they created an environment where umuntu utiva ngathi unelwadi secret knowledge side uyabona nina mabhara niboni yena wathi imfihlakalo telizulu yabona ama 26 lawo King la imfihlakalo
yabo mina King ngisabhema timbangi beta timbangi
King ngiyatibona timbangi
ngisabhema timbangi King na benginema knowledge again I knew too much. The government was trying to murder me. I promise you King kufuna si address indzaba yezolo King emajiteni lamaningi King. I promise you King maningi majitela affected because once what things are King there's always this secret there's something happens to you bro like dog ngathi mangicala kuyishame you know ukuthi kusling ngicala kubona kubadlala ngathi ngabona mne King mangicala kushaya izonto angivula umqondo ntwana ngicala nga-understand ukuthi
manje angubuyisele move King ngicela usinike example ye secret knowledge bonayo King tinfo bodade besingadadi ngothini phela thina King siboyini sibombondoze bathini lombondoze phela asazi lutho uyabona
it's not even like that when a King ukuthi into longa yade yabona into but I'll create a scenario nje ukuthi yabona that's what the Coco type shit yabona like we see these boys they don't see what we see. You understand? Mas high King isiba kulenye i-frequency ukuthi kuse ngiyakubona ntwana usucabanga slow yabona ngeke understand that's why bese kuba si faka nekubhamba yabona ukhanzakala sokubhamba yabona because une-secret knowledge labangayazi yabona, so you're better than them even walk lapho yabona, u-understand strat yabona, uma kubanayo king labaningi bakhona senza khuluma nge-strat ba-understand strat yabona nge-strat intwana ngesi-understand yabona, because besiphila estradini vele we know the streets, we know, so labo chisboy laba amabhari yabona, like they don't see what we see yabona, thina we see better bro. We see what they don't see, you understand? Labangabhemi king, so thina king is enlightened somehow yabona. And uNkulunkulu yathi uNkulunkulu ukhuluma nathi straight up yabona, ukithi uNkulunkulu dog, like nisafuna nimhasele nanani, mina bangi-high king ngisuke ngihline high priest yabona ezulwini, like le high yami ngisezulwini. I promise you king, I promise you that's how you feel again, ufila ngathi wena yabona mawuhigh sekufanele ube high ukuze uzokhona connector, esikubitha ngeconnector yabona, ngiyaconnecta ntwana mangi-high, so ma-frequencies thina tinto ukuthi ibone yabona. Some of the cats I had mina king ekusebe ukhanza kufunza iBhayibheli king masethi kumanqile, I can understand it deeply king, yakuchazela ngalo ukuthi kusela kwenteka so nani out yami engiyibite ngeligama king, hlala tule egroundini lekhaboswane le, ukhanza ifunza iBhayibheli king deep. But they say what worries me the most after everything happened, after it's all said and done, most machita king bengibanawo mina king lena sisenda nayo sisi high sikhuluma nabantu labadzala basetulu mawubabuka nje uyabona lento lena king ngokufuna si-address indzaba izolo king walimatile abantu abaningi again in the name of uba clever ne ukuthi ubona tinto ma-conspiracy theories king, ubona ma-conspiracy theories again. Bo Jay-Z nabo nje ma-princess uyi-prince lo i-princess lo yayeka what kunako bento so king lo music wawo yabona, music wabo king udlala i-backwards yabona, nto uva wena Jamani ukuthi kwentekani, fire king, wena yibona wena, ngabona ukuthi uyayibona king wena, the time ngihlangana nawe le enango ngabona ukuthi this track is the one yabona. Hayi manje I understand lento lena king, ngako mina wena king yalo ngihlala ngedwa yabona, wazocala kuhlala wedwa king uJamani, it's done. Isolate.
Hayi man king, namhla uyangibulala, angifuni icambe manga mlingani, angifuni icambe manga, ngifuna
yakena kusikijeze ngicela isolate,
angifuni icambe manga
king, I promise you.
Solimele phela
You to come back king to the, because society I understand king, abak understand labantu ngeke khona ukuphila nabo bro. Khona
wena nguwe wedwa lobona tinfo like
king wena ukhethwe akena ukuthi mina I was at a place sometimes la khona bengibelieve ukuthi ngikhethiwe mina king, I'm the chosen one yabona, to free these people's mind.
Ukhethwe ngubani?
Higher power.
Are you wena?
To free these people's minds king yabona, I'm the one yabona, so people ngike abantu ba understand wena dog yabona, ngako vele yabona, I promise you.
Manje mlingane nawubuka ibangwa yini mlingane lensaba ukuthi, because angifuni icambe manga king, mina ngeke angayibhemi izoli lifetime yabona, but there are times here and there la ngibhemi izolo ngadla kwezolo cake nanyalo. Allegedly there's a friend of mine lengihlenge kuye akunike lokunye yabona kuma edibles, ngihlenge ethi mfika kancane imnanzi le high king, angifuni icambe manga uyabona, i-high imnanzi,
but
we can't dispute that.
Do you know what the problem is king? So ufuna wena kudlala ama-sweet lawo wonke malanga, ekuseni emini entsambama udlala ama-sweet lawo wena, uyakela ukuthi khona i-knowledge utoba nayo king into ngitshela yona wena.
Mina king angifuni le yabona king, mina i-secret knowledge king angifuni bafana, mina ngifuna i-general knowledge yabona, ngifuna lo lwakhe lolodwa wonke umuntu. Yabona king lo lwadi lokuthi Jay-Z ngiperformance unembuti yabona, ugqokisa imbuti afika dance kanjena nga-12 ebusuku, angilifuni lo lwadi lolo king.
Uyakela ukuthi it doesn't end there bro, it doesn't end there. Akugcini lapho king, you graduate you graduate yabona, and then uvakala kahle king.
Ngiyakuva king, uyangibulala nawe, uyangibulala nabudla king.
Ayigcini lapho na king, ya graduate ube hater, ungaboni ukuthi uyi-hater, deep hate
ngalo nasosonalo ma-secret knowledge lawo
uyakucuka ube hater king angisho wena ngcono king, you're the chosen one and you're the only one yababona labantu abadlala yabona refer to so refer is labantu labadlalako yabona bajita adlala yabona thina sibona into deep. Do you know ukuthi king ngicasta boPaula le kupeula le bekunebantu king bebona TV deep but sithi masisihlala phansi lo Steve deep tabo king, it was just a joke bekuhlekisa machita king mina bengiphumile le weekend le king ngise khona machita lengihleli nawo 5-10 minutes ngashifta king that took machita langqono angqono kakhulu amachita king, you understand wena king
kanjani angibekusela
no king adla timbangi yabona adla timbangi any I understand the thing yeah into kakhulu kunawo intwana yabona like ushakubuka king yabona mchita ufuna lisito lo ekuse this guy needs help but wena makubuka nje yathi machita king abangcono nalama machita kuthi
ngiyabo king machita la understandako lati tinto latibona tinto deeper nina ningatiboni uyabona
yeah king understand into deep and sting
but nase soyilandzelela le depth yale knowledge yakho uyayibona ukuthi
delusion king, that's the thing pere. Do you know what's sad king? Because mina king I'm a self-proclaimed prophet. Mina king nomchita ngiyambona mina angisho king ukuthi nami ngidla timbangi ukuthi ngithe ngenda ngimbone but experience yami king the experience yami king ngamtshela nomchita ukuthi kwakwendekani kuye like ngamtshela maphethini ukuthi tofike endeni endlini ene yini le mente so yena yabo I've been there bro, I've been there kufuna ngayeni lalela mina yabo ukuthi kusekta kwendeka so life because most of I promise you king once you isolate king once you isolate you are done king, you're done kumcuka kuhlane abantu
so humble wonke phela lapho king
abantu society king yakana ukuthi there's nothing hard ngiphile emhlabeni king mina ngihleli phansi king ngayibuka lento ngathi in reason ngiphile ngasikhathi nje itolo kunini itolo thanda esikhathini lesivunguvungu lo moya lo matima lo ya ngila ngibone khona ngathi hayi kuse lento ukuthi thina abantu sicabanga ukuthi special king umhlaba wakhelwa thine imhanga. I don't believe in that thing king mina
imhanga king
umhlaba wakhelwa abantu umhlaba wakhelwa abantu ukuthi umhlaba wakhelwa ngathina king ukuthi kwakhelwa abantu ukuthi si special thine lento beyendeka la ngephandle king wabuka emathayile kuhlephuke it's no akude kubo special la king. The only thing ekuphela emhlabeni king is to protect because even ama elements lawa king akuprovela ukuthi nah bro we're not for you uyabona thina sikhona nje we're just existing, it's just existence but wabona wena king waqala kuba lana king ukuthi sidle ngale system lesekhona sifundisa abantwana bayetikolweni nathi sende inini siphekeni silimeni sende inini sanzisane whatever sife
scanwe because lokugana kumcoka
scanwe king stash experience nje lethithe king isinyamalala, there's nothing too special to be here ukuthi I say yabona lokusilana king udiscussion lesincane bafana kufuna understand ukuthi lesincane bese kuse uNkulunkulu yabona na bro wangilethelana lana for discussion lesincane lomjidi yabona once ufuna ba deep le life is simple king understand ukuthi khayisa njani globe mangabe ufuna ukuproduce ama globe understand ukuthi isithini sibekwa njani mafuna it's not deep like that ukuthi access sozobe ngcono ku deep kuze ube ngcono nabanye notimbangi king yakutshela mina
timbangi atifiki
inzala timbangi king
atifiki timbangi king atifiki ngisho bomkhulu wakho mina nginawo king I believe ukuthi batalele ku 1900
but king
but kanti timbangi tikhona
kunetimbangi king lesitithole thine kunetimbangi leti introduce kithi king basic book grade 5 kodwa king tafika king la Southern Africa ya enkomazi king
leti genetically modified
ngam la king timbangi leti atashintsha game timbangi leti king nginasaqala khona kubona emahlanya phela ngetimbangi kuthi nemlohlanyako
ukuthi timbangi yes uhlanyiswa insango because in sango I think kangwane king kunemthetho ngenteke ba 1924 noma 27 lobe ubenisha insango which means insango ayifike king insango beyikhona for a long time but ngiyatibona le train lokushoko king letifikele ticale ngomandi tinjingise emaswati leti train leto
ne train leto king
lama high grade ma high cross bo cheesy bo khona le pink bebo le pink
manje purple
purple haze yes Thothi ngito letfike nayo inkinga letimbang leti.
Lapho ke bese kuvela abaprofeti yabona kwavela nemajidela slam tivete abantu abaningi tivete abaprofeti tivete amajidela slam majidela khona khuluma naNkulunkulu face to face letimbanga leta king tibe ingoti kakhulu timbanga leta king ukuthi ukuthi so yabona because I promise you king it's from letimbanga ukuthi majidela kana hate king masikhuluma ngetimbanga ukuthi timbanga tinawo umthelela kule ndlela ucabanga ngayo.
Bantu labanengi king bayithatha personally. Mina njengoba ngishilo king yabo insango bafana imnanzi. We can't get away from the fact king ukuthi insango imnanzi. Le high insango it feels good yabona. Kufanele kudle ama sweet king nekudle ama biscuits kumnanzi yabo.
But king
it feels good but ke the long term effects uba bete matinyo uba nabo sugar about the long term effects. I remember there was a guy king bengimate mbabane wangitshela ukuthi bekafunza limko and kufika lo menye bafika ma first year bafunza I think they were second years now.
Yeah.
Lenye ndwana king udayana lenye ndwana baqala bayifaka itimbang seyabhema intwana saying clever uthi lo mchita we remember king they were at a study session kungithambama uyabona.
Yes.
But fast king babhema I think lo mchita wasuka king noma wafunza liverse noma wakhotha liverse yini kuthi lokho ngemba king kwambona ukuthi uyahamba manje nakinkinga kuhayo again kwambona ukuthi Asia kuseyahamba iBraham
akwathi kuyilanza njani
because now king ukuthi fasile babhema bonke-2 at least kona akuhambanga but le Brian hamba king and yahamba that day onwards.
Hayi wena king ayibuyanga
anekubuye king phela that's a one way street.
Hayi wena
kufuna bakuthatha bakumikise enang lapha kufuna bakumikise lapha kumathapha king bakufaka mental nathi maphilisi.
Hayi wena king kufuna ubuye ube sober waba sober king uyabuya ube grand
kune trigger king kune anikuhlanya king I psychosis bathi kuba ama episode uyabona kunenfo le trigger show that's why khona mbani for king khona nomyimshita nje ngathi wakuphi ngala kangwane ushisele ama trailer ama truck king uyakwakhela ama trailer ama truck sika bonke.
Okay.
Angawakhela ama trailer ama truck akwakhela ama trailer ama truck kufika lihlobo kunale plant lekhona king le trigger show le episode.
Okay.
So for the whoever bathi kunebantu abahlanye ihlobo king phela like ehlobo ehlanye
because science leyo king because akufuneka siyikhiphe king the question khona siba science le nangizana le trigger yakho
le by science njani by science njani king ngesinto
khona usiking bayakhe somewhere yabona khona usibakhe somewhere king
bese angathi king
ngale no king ngeke sima Africa king ukhona lokho is African bayakwakhela ngesibluetooth or about imbanga king ngibonile namtimbanga king to created king emajita king la smart and I won't lie king again ukuthi for a longest time king yabo nje believe from the ukuthi king kune purpose yabona the higher purpose lekufuna siphilele I believed again ukuthi I think the higher purpose king kuphilela abantu bakho kuse khona kubanaka khona kubondla ukhona I think that's it to be happy and then sife there's nothing to be yabona dynamic kunetinto kufuna kunetinto deep esitele kufuna yabona kuseye ni slow why wena udle lokhu ungadli lokhu yabona ngidla njani asithi uyadla njalo ke bafana ke usodla healthy ke wena okay angisho ukuthi ufe kusasa sena njani ngithini mina ngithini life mfethu lana siyakhethela la ngabayikhethela la kuze kusengifuna ukuphila grand ngitinakele ngijime hayi kusemna ngifuna ukungajimi ngifuna kushanga emkhaba wami ube sibafu khona manje wathanza out
mina ngifuna ukubhema imvorwane mina ngifuna ukubhema
ngifuna ukubhema imvorwane ngifuna but ungabhema imvorwane bese utala kimi king so ngitshela ukuthi usmart ungclever